Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Cocinaire eLite Personal Utility Blender. So you ready? Let's get into this. Okay, so going around the box, there's not really a ton to see. Got the picture of the blender here with this girl doing kind of a yoga pose with it. Sort of a funny way to hold a blender, but that's marketing. On the side here, it just says GoPower. On the back, a little bit of light information about the blade. You can see that this blender comes in black and red, and we obviously have the red one. Here you have the power information, including the peak power and the sustained power. That's pretty important. The rated sustained power is the number that we really want to be focusing on the most. And here you have some company contact information. On the other side of the box, we got the model, eLite, and that pretty much does it for that, so let's get this thing open. Also a neat little presentation. Looks like the first thing we got here is either the user manual or some marketing stuff. Oh, eLite, not eLite. Get it? eLite. This company is really pushing the health side pretty hard here. That's clever. Let me open this up. Now here they're talking about member benefits. So it looks like you go onto their website and sign up for some sort of membership. And if you do that, you extend your warranty by an extra year. They got a calorie counter for you. They got some special recipes that are available to members only. And then some more additional custom recipes. So, okay, that looks nice. Here it looks like you get a membership card. And it looks like if you want to be a member, they're going to give you the first year for free. What it costs after that, I don't know. And it looks like right here is a little bit more marketing information about the benefits that you get with membership. And it looks like right here, they've got some recipe cards they've included. They're all nicely illustrated. And they have all the information you need here, like calories, fat, fiber, sugar, protein, carbohydrates, then your ingredients and your measurements as well. Looks like a green smoothie here, and then another berry smoothie as well. This actually looks a little bit more like a power bowl, and looks like a mango smoothie here as well. Okay, enough of that. Take this off here. So you've got your base and your cup here. So you've got your blender base and also the top for your cup here. It's pretty nice. You got a piece of rubber here to connect the lid to the top. This twists off and out. That way you don't mistakenly open it or anything. And snaps closed. And the Cocinaire logo on the top. Then we have our blender base here, and this has no buttons on it whatsoever. Put that aside. And then we have our single serve cup. Looks like this is about a 16-ounce cup, so it's not the biggest. But then again, if you're drinking smoothies, you probably don't want to be drinking anything too terribly big anyway. You got that Cocinaire logo here. And also, it's pretty interesting, you got this rubber grip up top to make it easier to carry. And you can see the logo goes right through the rubber and then right into a painted surface here. So that's kind of cool, actually. Attached to the top right now out of the box is the actual blender blade, and that just kind of twists off like this. And it looks like you get some pretty gnarly blades there. That looks pretty serious.
That's a lot of damage.
And the blades are made in Germany, so serious they must be, eh? Let's set this down for a minute. Got something in here. And we got some more information about taking the blender bottle with you. So obviously this is designed for you to blend right in this cup, put your to-go top on right here, and then you have a sport bottle that you're ready to bring with you to the gym or wherever. That way you're not using up an extra cup or an extra container or anything else. You just blend in this, put the top on and go. So I like that idea quite a bit. Going back to this thing, that's definitely what they're trying to push here. Every one of these pictures has somebody doing something athletic. And that all ties into that eLite model name that we talked about earlier. On the back here, the safety precautions along with how to operate the blender. And right here, they talk about how to properly layer your smoothie. Let's plug this thing in and see if it works. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Okay, let's go ahead and plug this in. And we'll go ahead and make a quick test smoothie to see how this works. We'll throw in some strawberries. I'll throw in a couple of pineapple chunks here. And I'm going to top it off with a little bit of Carb Master milk, like so. And I'm going to go ahead and top this off with a little bit of coconut shaving. Why not? Throw on the blender top. And then we'll go ahead and blend this up. Now to blend this, you're just pushing down. So if we want to pulse it, you just kind of tap it, like that. And if you want to just full on blend it, you just hold it down for longer.
A few moments later.
And it looks like after it's been on, you can't actually make it start again. So I guess that's a safety feature. We'll have to look into that a little bit more when we do our review. Anyway, it looks like it did a really nice job on our smoothie here. Obviously, if you're gonna carry it around, you need to make it a little bit thinner than I did, unless you plan on using a straw or something like that. Once you have your smoothie made, the top just fits right on like this, and then you can just take this with you and drink it out of there like that. In my case, I'll be using one of these because it's the only way I can drink this. Just on first impression with this blender, maybe including a straw like this with it might have been kind of a cool thing, but maybe no big deal. We'll see. Stay tuned to the channel because in the next couple of weeks, we're going to be testing this blender rigorously to see how well it performs. And then at that point, we'll be able to give you a good, thorough review. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about Joe's Phenomenal, you can watch a couple more videos, or you can check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you back again here really soon. So until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.